Hey, what's going on, everybody? Taria Vishnavant here. And first, I just want to welcome you to my email list and let you know that you're going to get a ton of information. I work specifically with authors and future authors, and to be more niched into, regardless of the authors that I work with, are those who are speakers, coaches, or in the network marketing space, and you're wanting to learn how to use a book to grow your business. Now, one thing I want you to also understand is I'm not just a publisher. However, yes, I do assist with you getting you a book published, the right book published that's designed to grow your business. But we also have some additional things that go on top of it. So, number one, the goal is, of course, to help you to write the right book. Then, once you have the right book, is we want to create a game plan for you so that you're able to generate $10,000 a month, week, or day. So make sure that you stay plugged into the emails. The first thing that I would recommend, because a lot of people want to know the different type of events that I have. Number one is I have my 1 day book profits mastermind. You've already taken advantage of the masterclass, which was free, and then you can now register for the book profits mastermind. I'm going to go ahead and put the link of that right here. Okay. And then once you have gone to the book profits mastermind, and you're ready to actually get started with your book, then of course I'm going to recommend that you attend our 3 day boot camp. Okay, so that is another one of our programs. However, I don't enroll people into the boot camp until you had a chance to actually speak with myself or someone on the team to make sure that you're qualified. We want individuals that are writing a specific style of book or genre. I do not do big biographies or memoirs or like planners and journals and cookbooks. We specifically do books that are designed to grow your business. Now, it doesn't mean that we don't incorporate some of your story, but if you are literally wanting this book to increase your exposure, to build a business card, influence, all types of stuff, that's what this is for. And then the third part of our program is Book Profits Club. Now, if you have a book that is set up to sell, it really only works as if you're in the space of leveraging this book to actually sell more products. You might be a business owner, to sell more services, things of nature like that. We have Book Profits Club Mastermind. Okay. Again, this is also another program that you actually have to speak to us to make sure that you're qualified. The last thing I want people to do is to invest their money into something that is not going to help them. So, first and foremost, if you're not registered for the next Book Profits Mastermind, do that first, okay? And then make sure that you stay plugged into the emails. I can't wait to work with you. I really, really look forward to serving you and showing you how to write that profitable book that continues to sell over and over, as well as leverage that you continue to leverage to build a big business. All right? I'm going to talk to you later. Deuces. Bye for now.